In this video, we will look at a specialized predicate, IntPredicate, LongPredicate, and DoublePredicate. So let's create a class, and the class name is predicate example 3. So int, long, and DoublePredicate, they operate on integer, long, and double. So let's create a public static void main, and let's create an IntPredicate. And this IntPredicate p1 is equal to I, and I is greater than 100. This out, and p1 dot test 100. So this is an example of IntPredicate. Now long p2 is equal to I 100 long, or I is greater than 100 long, and out you can provide p1 or p2 dot test and value and long value. Okay. And DoublePredicate, p3 is equal to same, and I is less than 100.25, and we'll create another DoublePredicate. And this DoublePredicate will be specifying I is greater than I is so here it should be I is less than, and then I is greater than 100.10, and print out p3 dot and p4 and dot test 100.15. Now let's run this example. So you can see that first condition is false because we are looking for I is greater than 0. Here this condition is true, looking for 100 long, and this condition is also true because 100.15 is between 100.10 and 100.25. So these are a specialized predicate which are defined for integer, long, and double.